Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to fix Instagram dark mode. If Instagram dark mode is not working properly, follow these steps. Go to your settings and click on display and brightness option. From here select dark mode. Now open Instagram and see if it's working. You can also enable dark mode setting on your Instagram. Sometimes box cause dark mode issues, so you can also update Instagram for your Google Play Store or an Apple Store. You can also try restarting your device. Turn off your phone and restart it, and open Instagram and check if its dark mode is working. If it is not working, you can simply reinstall the Instagram application. So that is how you can fix Instagram dark mode. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.